Hello, welcome to Water Sign Philippines. So, ito yung reading natin for Water Sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Take only what resonates. So, mga gusto mong personal reading, Jing Tarot Reader, siya yung pwede mong i-subscribe. Subscribe, i-message for personal reading. Open na ako ngayon sa personal reading actually. No? Mag-inquire na lang kayo dun sa Madam P sa Facebook page namin. Kung hindi mo ma-search, ang i-search mo hashtag Water Sign Philippines. Lalabas na yun kasi may mga post naman tayo. No, na nilalagay ko yung mga hashtag na yun. Pasensya mo na ang boses ko. May sakit ako ngayon. So, kung ano yung best na ma-deliver ko ngayon, yun na yun. Ang importante yung message. Sana makarating, makuha ko yung energy mo. Diba? So, kung hindi, okay lang naman. Pero lahat ng positive comment, heart, malaking bagay sa akin yan para ganahan akong mag-reading para sa inyo. Mabigyan kayo ng guidance. Yan, kahit may sakit ako, kahit may mga pangyayari sa akin, ay nagaganahan akong mabasa kasi sa inyo yung mga masasayang comment ninyo. Positive lang guys, negative or what, or comment mo regarding sa hindi mo nagustuhan yung reading or what, hindi namin yun inaalaw. The Tower, the Ace of Swords is here. Water sign, I feel like yung iba sa inyo nakakaisip ka na may i-end or gustong i-end. Sa ngayon, iisipan pa lang naman. Yung iba, pwede natapos na. Pero yung iba sa inyo, nandun na. Already thinking of ending something in your life. Kasi pwedeng hindi ka na masaya. Pwedeng a lot of bitterness. Or pwedeng, alam mo yun, parang alam mo sa sarili mo na hindi naman nag-grow. Or parang feeling mo, this is not what you want in your future. Parang alam mo yun. Yung iba sa inyo, ikaw nahihirapan. So, honestly, hindi ko masabi. Ito ba yung ending regarding love? Ending regarding home or house? Or ending regarding maybe ending sa minsan na naging happiness mo. Who is this person that you're dealing with? Water sign. You do have here the Six of Cups. Queen of Cups at saka Page of Wands. This could be a person in the past. Page of Wands is here. Nakakita tayo ng communication. Actually, siya yung mas bigay ng siya yung mas, sabihin na natin, communication, siya yung mas nag-i-effort sa communication nila. Siya yung gumagawa ng paraan. Or siya yung mas higit na nagme-message sa'yo. Pwede rin namang hindi. It's just that this person really do likes you. Emotion ninyo sa isa't isa. Knight of Cups, the moon is here and followed by the Five of Wands. Ngayon mo dapat gawin yung instinct mo. Gamitin mo yung instinct mo. If there's something here na parang ang hirap paniwalaan, hindi totoo. I mean, nagkakaroon ng pag-aaway or kailangan mo nang lagyan ng pagbabago ito kasi hindi na okay. Mas mag-grow or mas magiging maayos pag nagawa mo itong desisyon na ito. And yeah, trust your intuition regarding persons or people. Nakakonect mo ngayon. Diba? Mararamdaman mo. Yung feelings nila, emotions nila kahit hindi sila magsabi sa'yo. Two of Swords here. Yeah. You have to decide. Iba sa inyo may kinalaman ngayon sa pagka-cut off. This person, nakakonect mo, I'm already seeing a person na may pinag-iisipan siya regarding money. And it has something to do with money na may kinalaman din sa'yo. Pwede gano'n. So, what will happen in the near future for the both of you? Yung iba sa inyo, nararamdaman mo yung connection ninyo ng person na to, nilalabanan mo lang. It could be a twin flame or soulmate connection, the sun and moon, and the world. Wow, kompleto ha. The moon, the sun, and the world. Okay, it's like an eclipse. This connection could be a spiritual connection, a once in a lifetime connection. So, I highly suggest that you grab yung opportunity. Lalo na kung nararamdaman mo, like the more you connect with your higher self, the more you connect with the nature, pwedeng magiging madali yung pangyayari like sa buhay mo. Hindi ko nakikita mag-i-struggle ka. So anyway, I just can feel a lot of decision. Gusto mo ba maging masaya? I feel like you need to do something para maging masaya ka. Ten of Pentacles is here. The Eight of Swords. What's with the Eight of Swords? Three of Wands. The Eight of Wands. Bottom of the deck is the Fool. I can see a person. Well, may person tayo nakikita dito na magte-take ng risks sa'yo. Maybe this person is malayo sa'yo. I feel like this person is trapped sa kanyang situation. Hindi makaalis. Maybe had something to do sa kanyang career. Ten of Pentacles, nakita tayo dito ng money or decision regarding sa pera. And then this person, with the Eight of Wands, I can see backing up of the family. Yung family mo or family niya. Parang sinisigundahan or pumapabor sa connection mo and this person. One last card for you. Water sign. Page of Cups. Sabi ko nga, pwedeng a younger person or people sa buhay mo or sa buhay niya magiging supportive dito pagdating sa connection na to. The Queen of Swords is here. You just have to make decision dito sa Nine of Cups. Options. You want new love, new connection. Ace of Cups, parating yan. Yung iba kasi focus sa career. Ayaw mag-decide, ayaw gumawa ng action or what. Huwag mong, taguan, layuan itong emotions mo, yung feeling mo, harapin mo yan. Yung iba, nagpapaka-focus sa trabaho, nagpapaka-busy para makalimutan yung nararamdaman nila. Okay, so thank you for watching. Hopefully, gusto mo yung reading, nakakuha ka ng message doon. I love you all and bye-bye.